Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Robinhood account. So the first step is you want to open up Robinhood and you want to go down to the bottom right where the account button is. Next, you want to click on the menu icon at the top right and you want to go ahead and click on transfers. And right here, you can see the amount of withdrawable cash that you have that you can withdraw from your Robinhood account. Now, if you have money invested in Robinhood and you don't see this withdrawable cash, all you have to do is make sure that your money is not invested in any stock and also give it a few days for the money to actually be withdrawable. Because even if you take money out of a stock, that cash will not be withdrawable right away. It will take some time for it to become withdrawable, but after a couple days, it should be withdrawable and you'll be able to see it right here. Now, all you want to do to withdraw this is click on transfer to your bank at the top here. And you just want to select the amount that you want to withdraw. And once you enter the amount that you want to withdraw, just click on review and it will begin the withdrawal process and the money should be in your bank within a few days. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time.